Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews doing another video today. In today's video, yes, I have some cases for my Honor View 10 from Tudia. But before I get into the review, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, I'm going to review two cases for my View 10, actually from Tudia. Shout out to them for actually sending this to me for a review. And also shout them out for actually making cases for the View 10. It's a great device. I'm glad they made up these two cases for it. You can tell right here, this is the Merge. And then this is the AUK S, their new lineup. I'm going to get into both of them really soon. I'm going to look at the Merge first. And bam, you can get it from Amazon. If you want to pause the video, you can actually read that yourself. Yes, it comes in 4 different colors. Metallic slate, mint, rose gold, and also matte black. I went with the mint this time. I'll call it teal. You can call it what you want. It is $8.95, Prime eligible, so you can get it within a couple days. So let's take a look at it. Let's see how the case fits. Nice packaging from them. Their normal setup. I love how they make it easy to get into the case. Not too hard. Let's put this on the side. But here's the case itself. Look at it. Look at the little branding on the inside. Tudia Merge. Nice little pattern. There's a little branding somewhere. Oh, Tudia right there. Bam. But look at that color. Man. Teal for the win. Mint. Whatever you want to call it. So you have your volume rockers. You have your power button. Look, you can see a little extra grip on the sides. Camera cutouts. IR blaster and the microphone cutout. At the bottom, you have your speaker, the USB Type-C, and then also the headphone jack. And then on the left-hand side, you have nothing, but you have that little grip again. So you have the, look at, definitely gives you the protection. TPU on the side, so you don't have to take this off, but let's check out how it fits. See what type of, man, look how that thing fits snug. Look at the lip action all the way around the case. So you put it down. You don't have to worry about hitting your display. Let's check out the second thing I always check out. Look at the camera hump. Look at that. So, again, you're not going to have to, you don't beat up your camera lenses when you put it down. Let's check out the power button. Look at that Face ID, by the way. Bam, that's fast. Power button works. The volume rockers work. Let's make sure we mute that. And then let's check out the cutouts. Man, they look beautiful at the top. Then at the bottom, bam, everything lines up like mic and then the speaker. Then you also have USB Type-C and then the headphone jack. Look at that. It fits snug. It feels really good. All right, so this is the Tudia Merge. Great looking case. Let's move to the AUK S. Let me bring that one up really quick on Amazon too. Okay, everyone, so here's the AUK S model. Bam, it says full matte, lightweight, TPU bumper shock absorption cover for the View 10. Comes in 4 different colors. You have black, gray, frosted clear, and navy blue. I did get the frosted clear one. It is $7.95. It is Prime eligible. So let's check out that one. Same packaging. Really easy to get into. Love it. But let's check out this case. Look, man. Nice looking case. They do have some branding on this side here. You can see a little branding there. I don't think my U11 will focus on that. But nice branding. Nice and lightweight. Let's take off the Merge. And let's put this one in there. Oh, that fits like a glove too. So let's check out 2 things. Look at the rays. Yes, it gives you some rays on there. Also the camera hump. Look at that. Let's check out the power button. Power button works. The volume rockers work. They feel great. At the bottom, look at the cutouts. Everything lines up beautifully. Then at the top, same thing. Everything lines up. And it's got extra grips too on the side. Look at the grips. So again, if you want to pick up both of these cases, I will have the link in the description. Look at them. They fit great. I recommend them. So if you want to pick them up, I will have the link in the description. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more coverage on the View 10. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Bam. I'm out.